Are you feeling overwhelmed and burnt out trying to balance leadership and life? Hi, I'm Cherie, a leadership and health coach, helping high achievers like you create balance, build energy, and lead with confidence. On this channel, you'll find practical strategies for stress management, work life balance, and self leadership so you can thrive in your role without sacrificing your well being. I have over 15 years of experience in the corporate world and know firsthand how to help ambitious professionals like you overcome overwhelm and lead themselves first so they can lead others effectively. I know how important it is to take care of yourself first so you can excel in your career and in life. If you're ready to go from feeling stressed and stuck to confident and thriving, you're in the right place. So if this sounds like what you need, hit that subscribe button and join me for actionable tips and tools to help you lead yourself and others with ease. Check out the description below for resources to get started on your journey today. I can't wait to see you in the next video.